I'm going to show you how to add color, bright color, into your autumn wardrobe rotation. So a lot of times when we think about autumn, we think about colors like pumpkin spice orange or merlot red, but you can add bright colors into your autumn attire, like the headband I'm wearing right now. Something as simple as a fun color in your accessories will give you that bold color that we're looking for. Or you can try something like this Calvin Klein fuchsia blouse, which will work great under your black blazer for work. Or you can pair it with some leather leggings for a nice evening look. If you're not ready for all that, this is a great idea of adding the cardigan over your cami. This boucle cardigan works great over this lovely little cami. And as you can see, it has beautiful floral details, some silvers, and those colors that we enjoyed so much earlier this year during the summer and the spring. You can still use it. A colorful accessory that's not as bright as my headband, but it will still work and give you that on-trend look. And as you can see, it will pull out the colors that we talked about earlier in this candle. It's simple. Now you have some ideas that you can try this autumn.